Look how cute these little stackables. They have these snowman, the presents, and the tree. These are $7. And they have these cute little pillows for $7 as well. Super cute. And they have gift wrap. They have Minecraft this year and Minions. And then some of the holiday decor to hang up. Super cute. Some $1.50 now. These metal ones are $6. These ones are really cute too. They have some holiday slippers. These ones are really cute with the bow. And these nice cozy socks. And they have some stockings. So these are the cute little stockings they have. They're $1.50 now. And these little guys, they're the stocking holders. And some ornaments. And let's look over on the craft section. So they have like little bows, some bells, little angels to make, gingerbread. They have these little trees. Again, they all went up 50 cents or 25 cents. These are really cute. Crafting with your kids. My kids love to paint. There's ornaments, 2 in a pack. Go on this side. Ribbon. These are really cute. This is a fun idea to do with your kids. Or you can make your own stocking. Then they have the little trees. This one's $5. This one still should be $1.50. And then you can buy all the little ornaments. They have lights here too. Look at this cute little fireplace. This is $7. 4-foot inflatable snowman. I'm thinking that's $7 too, probably. And they have the Santa, more lights. And these lanterns are really pretty. These are $7 as well. And the back of the chairs, Santa. And then we have some headbands, elf, reindeer, Santa hats. Look at these cute little snack dispensers. These are $1.50. And they have some jars for candy and cookies if you're a baker. And these little tins as well. And we got the ice molds, or if you're making candy, chocolate. It's really cute. And then this, I have this when I have parties for chips or snacks or drinks. Put ice in it. They have some holiday pencils. Looks like they're still setting up. And then candy. They have the peanut butter bells, the cocoa bombs, warheads. They have the mini gummy bears. Little gingerbread house kit for $1.25. Peanut brittle, snowman gummies, Sour Patch Kids, and the blocks, dots. And they have the cool ones. I like to get them for my kids. And the lint troubles. So I'm checking down here. It looks like they're just unpacking. So these are cute little sleep pants for only $3. They're so soft. You know I love these trees. These are $7 here. And we have the giant ornaments are $7. These lanterns are really cute. Soap dispensers are $5. They have these little snowmen. These are so cute. These are $7. I like the gingerbread man. He's adorable. They have these trees that you can decorate too. And then these long ones up here, these are $7. And these plastic, well, this is cute. She's holding a skateboard, or is it a sled? I don't know. Use your imagination. These are $7 too. I think these light up. Yeah, you gotta put batteries in them, so I can't show you. They have these little mugs. They have the Santas. They're so cute. I think they're $7 too. I don't see the tag on them. These nice stockings are $5. These Christmas presents that light up are $7. These guys are $5. Then they have the blankets. So this one and this one. And I believe those are $7 too. And then they have the tree skirts. They're blue, red, white. The giant Christmas bulbs are $7. Cherry to hang. They're cute. It's a lot of cute stuff.